Hello everyone, you are welcome on the Overflow. Flow. Today we will see something interesting, that is what could replace LLMs in the future. I asked this question to ChatGPT 5.2 and Opus 4.6 and Sonnet 4.6. So let's see what this LLM say. This is the miss what is the answer. So first thing is Neuro-symbolic AI. What ChatGPT 5.2 is saying, that first is Neuro-symbolic AI, that is LLMs plus logic, that is replacement layer. So most likely near term successor combines neural network learning from data with symbolic reasoning rules, logic, math, true reasoning, not probability guessing, explainable decisions, fewer hallucinations, works with smaller models. Instead of predicting answers, the system understands language, converts it to logic, proves the answer. Many researchers believe pure LLMs will be replaced by neuro-symbolic system, not improved transformers. Interesting. Then we have agentic systems, that is LLMs become tools, not brains. LLMs get demoted. So what it is? Autonomous agents that can plan, act, learn from environment, use tools. LLMs are just one tool. Why it replaces LLM centric AI? Intelligence not equal to text prediction, long term memory, self correction, goal driven behavior, future. The model is not the brain. The agent architecture is think operating system for intelligence, not chatbots. We have then world models. This is interesting, right? AI that understands reality. So a big weakness of LLMs. So what it is? AI that learns how the world works, like physics, cause effect, time, consequences, and why it replaces LLMs. LLMs don't understand, they autocomplete. World models can predict outcomes, simulate futures, make real decisions. Example, instead of talking about driving, the AI simulates traffic, weather risk. Essential for robotics, autonomous systems, AGI. Then we have neuromorphic computing, that is brain inspired AI, that is hardware plus software evolution. Then we have active inference, cognitive architectures. We have quantum plus AI, long term, not soon. And it is finally saying LLMs would not be replaced suddenly, they will be absorbed, downgraded, and surrounded. So now we'll look into what Opus 4.6 is saying. So combining neural networks with symbolic reasoning could yield systems. So that is neuro-symbolic AI. Then we have world models, that is predictive agents. This is something said by here as well. Neuro-symbolic AI, and we have world models, right? Then memory augmented and retrieval based systems, architectures that maintain persistent updated memory, stores and retrieve relevant knowledge dynamically rather than compressing everything into static weights. This could solve hallucinations and stillness problems. Hmm. Biological neuromorphic computing, we have program synthesis, code generating reasoners. Then we have collective multi-agent systems, we have continuous learning systems. Here what is saying by Sonnet 4.6. So neurosymbolic AI, diffusion based or energy based models. This is something interesting, right? These are already dominating image generation. Some researchers think analogous architectures could eventually handle language and reasoning more efficiently than autoregressive transformers. Then we have world models, neuromorphic computing plus spiking neural networks, liquid neural networks, dynamic architecture networks whose connections change over time based on input inspired by the nervous system of the C ligand one, more adaptive and interpretable than fixed transformer. Then we have biological or hybrid computing. The, then we have a tribal native architectures. The honest answer is LMs will likely evolve rather than being cleanly replaced. Interesting, right? Amazing. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Illustrator Flow.